Welcome. Today, we'll write a JavaScript program that adds two non-negative integers represented as strings. This is useful for handling numbers too large for JavaScript's native number type. We'll process digits one by one from right to left, managing carries manually, just like how you would on paper. Let's jump in and see how it works. Since these numbers might exceed JavaScript's number precision, we treat them as strings. We add digits starting from the last significant, which is the rightmost side, adding carry as needed. This method ensures correctness for arbitrarily large numbers. We use two pointers starting from the end of each string. Each loop iterates each loop iteration adds corresponding digits plus carry. We then update the carry for sums over 9 and prepend the unit digit to the result string. After the loop, if carry remains, we prepend it. This algorithm mimics manual addition. We move digit by digit, right to left, keeping track of carry, and building the result as a string. It is efficient and handles numbers of any length. Looking at 45 plus 100, we add rightmost digits first. 5 plus 0 is 5, then 4 plus 0 is 4, and finally 0 plus 1 is 0. Carry is managed at each step to ensure correct results. Adding numbers as strings is fundamental in applications like cryptography, big data, and financial calculations where precision matters. It is also a popular coding interview challenge that tests algorithmic thinking. We've created a robust function to add large numbers represented as strings without numeric overflow issues. Understanding this approach helps in many practical programming and interview contexts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.